Save Tonight by Eagle Eye Cherry is played in standard tuning with no capo. We're going to be using the chords A minor, F, C and G. For the A minor chord we're going to be strumming down, up, down, 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 up. One more time. Down, up, down, 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 up. Now luckily this strumming pattern is the same for each chord in the song. Then we're going to swap to the F chord and we're going to use this version here. You can have the thumb over the top grabbing the first fret on the low E if you want to, but you don't really need it. And we've got the third finger, third fret at the A, pinky finger, third fret at the D, second finger, second fret at the G, and the first finger on the first fret of the B string. We don't actually want to hear that high E string either. So we're kind of just hearing the middle guitar strings there. Same rhythm, down, 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 down. Okay, so the first bar slowly is that A minor, down, 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 up. Let's swap it to the F, down, 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 down. We'll then move to the C chord, same rhythm, down, 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 up. And the G chord, down, 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 down. So slowly we have the A minor, down, 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 up, F, C, G. You can hear on the last beat I'm coming off the chord to transition to the next chord there. So you're kind of hitting the open strings between the chord changes. This is important in this song because it's pretty quick. There's also a little cheat I like to do with the C going to G. After we've played the C, I generally move the third and second fingers up a string set and put my pinky finger on the third fret, the high E string. This makes this transition from C to G much easier than the traditional G fingering. So that's what I tend to use when there's a quick change from C to G. Okay, so A minor, F, C, G. To make this sound more like the record, we're going to start with the A minor chord, but take the third and second fingers off the strings, strum the chord, and then hammer the second and third finger back onto the second fret of the D and G string. So I've got that. And that kind of takes place of the up strum, the down up. So it's just be, so down, hammer on, down, 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 up, okay? F's normal. Then the C chord starts without the second finger on, and again, instead of having that up strum on the second beat on the 1 E, we're going to just have a hammer on onto the second fret of the D string. So down, hammer, down, 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 and then to the G is normal. Okay, so A with the hammer, F, C, So to make that sound a bit more like the record, we're going to use a little bit of palm muting with the right hand. So all we do is rest the side of the hand gently on the strings. The further towards the sound hole, the harsher the sound gets. And if you come towards the saddle, the bridge, you're going to get a softer palm mute there. So play around with the palm mute and find a sweet spot where you like this sound. We're also going to put an accent on the 2 and the 4 in each of the bars. So for the A minor, we'd have the hammer on, down, down, and on that down there, got a bit more of an accented strum. So same for the F, down, down, accent, down, up, C, G, accent. So slowly, that would sound like this. More up to speed.